Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious peach pie using canned peaches. It's a wonderful dessert that's surprisingly simple to prepare, perfect for any occasion. First, gather all your ingredients, including 2 large cans of sliced peaches, a pre-made pie crust, 3/4 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 2 tablespoons of butter. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's prepare our delightful peach filling. Begin by thoroughly draining the 2 large cans of sliced peaches to remove any excess liquid. This step is crucial for preventing a watery pie. Next, in a large mixing bowl, combine the drained peaches with 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Gently toss everything together until the peaches are evenly coated with the sugar and spice mixture. This creates a rich, flavorful base for your pie. With your filling ready, it's time to assemble the pie. Carefully unroll one of your pie crusts and gently press it into a 9-inch pie dish, ensuring it fits snugly. Now, pour the delicious peach filling evenly into the crust-lined dish. For an extra touch of richness, dot the top of the filling with 2 tablespoons of cold butter, cut into small pieces. Finally, place the second pie crust over the filling, crimping the edges to seal it securely. You're almost there. The final step is baking your beautiful peach pie to golden perfection. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the pie for the first 15 minutes at this temperature. Then, reduce the oven temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking for another 35 to 45 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the filling is bubbly. Remember to let the pie cool completely for several hours before slicing and enjoying your homemade treat. It's worth the wait.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.